So hi everyone, I am Subhadip. So today I will explain these questions, and these all questions are asked in 2024 JEE main. All are memory based question. So in first question, what is given? If the sum of the coefficient this and this is a and b respectively, then the relation between a and b, right? So sum of the coefficient in this expression, how to get? So sum of the coefficient is equals to, so we just taking coefficient 1 minus 3 and 10, so 1 minus 3 plus 10 to the power n. This is how we get the sum of the coefficient, so it will be 8 to the power 9. Similarly, so this is our, and this is our a, and similarly for second expression 1 plus x square to the power n, what will be the sum of expression, sum of the coefficients? So it will be 1 plus 1 to the power n, that is 2 to the power n. So this is our capital B, right? So now from here what we get, a equals to 8 to the power n, that means we can write it as 2 to the power 3 to the power n. Now it can be written as 2 to the power n cube. So this is equals to, we can write, this is our b from here, so vq. So a equals to vq, so this second option is correct. Now let's do the second question. So second question is there, a1 a2 dot dot an dot dot a10 are 10 observation, and it is given that summation I equals to 1 to n ai is 50, summation this is 11,000, and then we have to find standard deviation. So summation of I equals to 1 to 10 ai is given, so this is nothing but 50, and also summation I not equals to j to 10 ai into aj equals to 1100, right? So from here what we can write, summation I equals to 1 to 10 ai whole square equals to, it will be 2500. Now this can be written as, so we know that when we write a plus b the whole square, so what we write, a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So similarly here also, summation I equals to 1 to 10, we will do a I square. Here a is a and b, so a I square plus 2 summation I not equals to j up to 10, so ai into aj equals to 2500. Now this value is given, so implies that summation I equals to 1 to n ai square equals to 2500 minus, so this is 2 into this is 1100, so 1100, so this is equals to 300, right? Now we have to find first of all var x. So var x is nothing but summation ai square I equals to 1 to 10 divided by 10, since 10 observation is there, minus summation ai I equals to 1 to 10 this square. So this is, we get ai square is 300, so 300 divided by 10 minus this value as summation a square was 50, right? 50, so this will be by divided by 10, divided by 10, so this will be 50 divided by 10, so this is our 30 minus 30 minus 5, so this will be 25. I think this value is wrong, so summation ai divided by 10, right? So summation ai is 50, this is whole square, so it will be 25, so it will be 5, right? So what will be the sd will be root over var x, so this is root 5. So what will be the correct option? This A will be correct option. Let's jump into the third question. In that question, function fx is given. So what is given? Fx is cos x minus sin x 0, then sin x cos x 0, and 0 0 1, right? And we have to find if this f of minus x is inverse of fx and f of x plus y is this. So first of all we check this part, f of x plus y equals to f of x into f of y or not, because if we get this is true, then we will put y equals to minus x and then we will get first result. So first of all let's check this fx into fy. So what we get, fx is given, so cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0 0 0 1, and this is cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0 0 0 1, right? So this is equals to, if we multiply what we get, so first part will be cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So first part cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So this is nothing but cos of x plus y, so cos x plus y. So second part cos x minus cos x sin y minus this sin x cos y. So if we take minus common, then it will be sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, that means sin of x plus y. So we get minus sin of x plus y. Now next part, if we multiply with this, then it will be 0. Similarly, if we multiply like this, then it will get sin x plus y, then it will be cos of x plus y, and then 0, after that 0 0 1. So clearly we can see that here just in place of x it is placed x plus y, so we can write it as f of x plus y. That means second statement is correct, this statement is correct. And let's check first statement. If we put f of minus x in place of x, so and f of x in place of y, then what we get, f of x minus x plus x, that means f of 0. Now f of 0 is what, when we put x equals to 0, then we get this is 1 0 0, next 0 0 1, sorry 0 1 0 0 0 1, this we put x equals to 0 here. So this is I, so this is our I. Similarly we can get f of x of minus x, this will be also f of 0, so this will be also I. So what we get, f of something into fx, f of something into f of minus x is I. So that means f of minus x is inverse of f of x, right? So this statement is also correct, so both the statements are correct. So next jump into the second question, third question. So this is a given, so a is this, b is this, then we have to find a into bq. So first of all we have to find a and b. So what is a? A is limit x tends to 0 root over of 1 plus root 1 plus x to the power 4 minus root 2 divided by x to the power 4, right? So let us rationalize. So limit x tends to 0, if we rationalize, that means we are multiplying just these same things with plus. So root over, root will be out, so 1 plus root over x, 1 plus x to the power 4 minus 2 divided by x to the power 4 into root over of 1 plus root over of 1 plus x to the power 4 plus root 2. So here we just multiply denominator and numerator by this term, right? So equals to limit x tends to 0, what we get, this is nothing but 1 plus x to the power 4 minus 1, and denominator root over of 1 plus root over 1 plus x to the power 4 plus root 2, right? Now again we rationalize, what we get, equals to limit x tends to 0 root over of 1, sorry this will root will be cancelled, so 1 plus x to the power 4 minus 1 divided by x to the power 4 into root over of 1 plus root over 1 plus x to the power 4 plus root 2 into, we are multiplying with root over of 1 plus x to the power 4 plus 1. These same things we multiply, just change the sign. So these things will get cancelled, and as limit x tends to 0, then x is not 0, so this will also cancel. Now put the limit. If we put the limit, this will be 1 and root over of 1 plus 1 plus root 2, this plus this will be 1, this will be 1, and so this was, if we put 0, this will be 1 plus 1, that means 2, right? So this is equals to 1 divided by 2 into root 2 plus root 2, that means 2 root 2, so 1 by 4 root 2. So this is our a, right? Now we have to find v, so let us find v. So v is limit x tends to 0 sine square x divided by sine square x divided by root 2 minus root over 1 plus cos x, root 2 minus root over 1 plus cos x. Now same things, let us rationalize. So limit x tends to 0 sine square x into root 2 plus root over of 1 plus cos x, right? And if we multiply with these same things denominator, so what we get, 2 minus 1 minus cos x, right? So this will be limit x tends to 0 sine square x into root 2 plus root over of 1 plus cos x, and in denominator what we get, 1 minus cos x. Now let us multiply 1 plus cos x, both numerator and denominator. So x tends to 0 sine square x into root 2 plus root over 1 plus cos x divided by 1 minus cos square x. We are multiplying with 1 plus cos x, numerator and denominator. So this will get, and now we know that 1 minus cos square is sine square x, so this will get cancelled, and so we get limit x tends to 0 root 2 plus root over of 1 plus cos x, these things, into 1 plus cos x. Now put limit, what you get, this will be root 2 plus 1 plus cos 0 means 1, this will be root 2 into 1 plus 1, so it will be 2, so 2 into 2 root 2, that means 4 root 2. So this is our b. Now what we have to find, a into bq, here a into bq. So a value we find already and b also find, so what will be a into bq. So a is our 1 by 4 root 2, so 1 by 4 root 2 into bq means 4 root 2 whole cube. So 1 by 4 root 2, these things we can write into 4 root 2 into 4 root 2 whole square. So this will get cancelled and it will be 16 into 2, that means 32. So which option was correct? This option was correct. Now let's jump into the last question. So this is given that dy dt dx dt plus ax is 0, and also dy dt plus by equals to 0, and initially given that y at x at 0 is our 2 and y at 0 is our 1, then also given that xt is yt, then find t is what, these things is given. Now let us find from here. So dx dt equals to minus ax. Now let's separate the variables. Dx upon x equals to minus a dt, right? Now if we integrate both sides, what we get, this will be ln x and take a constant c1 equals to minus a t, where c1 is nothing but integrating constant we take. So x by c1 equals to e to the power minus at, right? So implies that x equals to c1 e to the power minus at. And similarly this is the same equation, so we get y equals to some another constant c2 into e to the power minus bt. Now put the value, initial value. So x at 0 is 2, so if we put 0 here, in place of t, and in place of x we put 2, so 2 equals to c1 into e to the power 0, that means c1 equals to 2. So what we get, x equals to 2 e to the power minus 80. Similarly here we get y equals to, this is our initial value 1, so 1 into e to the power minus bt. Now we know that this xt and yt are same, this is given. So 2 e to the power minus 80 equals to e to the power minus bt. So if we take log, what we get, ln2 plus ln e की power minus 80 equals to ln e की power minus bt. So this is ln2 minus 80 equals to minus bt. Now implies that we get ln2 equals to t into a minus b. So t is our ln2 divided by a minus b. So which option is correct? This third option is correct. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you like this video you can share with your friends, and these questions are very easy and you can give feedback for this video and regarding this channel also. Thank you everyone once again. Bye.